Alright everybody, we are back on the farm pan. It is December, I think it's the 13th today. Let's see. What date is it? 14th, excuse me. Anyway, we are going to enjoy a nice little quick sesh. I got Patrick here with me, another GFC guide, and he's showing his lovely girlfriend how to catch some fish, and I'm going to go walking up the river and see if I can't do myself the same thing. Anyway, rigging up, you guys. I'll put it in the link as usual on the bug selection and what we're going to be doing today. But we'll definitely be doing some nymphing, and yeah, should be good. Alright, you guys, down to the river we go. I'm going to cross. I'm going to let Patty work that bottom right over there, and I'm going to kind of just go work that top corner. But again, you guys, mile marker 12 on the Frying Pan River. Ooh, they're chasing each other around in here. I see trout. Oh, I had a trout chase my fly. Alright guys, I just noticed my split shot was missing all along. Little BB to get me down there. I'm going to add that little BB back, and I'm going to keep working these shallow fish right here, seeing if I can't pluck one out of here. Little weight. There we go, a little BB added, you guys, and we should be getting those flies down to them a little better. Like that. Like that. There we go. There we go. There's a nice brown, you guys. Nice browner. Look at that line. Just a beautiful fish. We'll take it. Get on out of here. Alright, let's see if we can't find another one. I'm just going to put it in top. Oh, there is a fish right there in the middle. Oh, I just saw one feed right in the middle there, you guys. There he is. There he is. Good fish right in the mouth. Oh no, get back over here. Get back over here, you big old ugly brown. That was a good release, you guys. Just put the fly right as I netted him. Oh, we'll take it. Look at that beautiful fish. Look at that guy. I'll get back in there.